Guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna be doing like a weekend in my life because we're doing farm work this weekend and probably a lot of riding with the horses. We're digging out the new turnout arena and we're building more of the river. So yeah, say hi to the vlog guy. Putting the trenching bucket over here, and then over here I'm just gonna like wait. I don't think you can see the name of the hire. Over here we've got the dumpy bucket which we've hired because we're using that to build out the turnout pen, which is going to be so good come next winter.
I'm looking at the view.
Guy, tell the YouTube what Gabriel's not doing.
Gabriel's not going out.
He is being a very lazy boy, isn't he? Comes the culprit all the way over there. He's been inside all morning and has finally decided to come out. What do you have to say about that, guy? It's very bad, isn't it? Just emptied the pond into the river that we made in the last video. If you saw that, go watch it if you haven't. And I'm just going to check at the bottom because we're not actually sure that all that water is going to cope with the drain. Like the drain's going to cope with all the water, I mean, because it is running. I'll flip the camera around. It is running so fast. You see, like this isn't even the worst of it. I know it doesn't look like much, but it really is a lot. It's sort of overflowing a bit as well. So what is it, Sky? She loves the water. It sort of looks like when those like asteroids hit. It's still running. And we've had some lunch now as well. Look at that rock, Dad.
Monster.
And all that sludge. Just bringing the tractor up now to attach the auger so then we can dig more holes. We have had I had a siesta and some lunch, and yeah, film some more hole digging. Mum is loading up all the concrete for the fencing. Ben! Benny! He's a good boy! Where is she? Here she is. She's such a little... Oh, just almost tripped, guys. I'm not videoing, Mum. You're digging holes. One nice big fluffy bed for this handsome boy right here. Not with your ears back though. Hi everyone, it's the next day and it's Sunday today. I'm currently in a coat and my pyjamas because I'm just going to go feed the ponies. Oh, that sun's so pretty. Yeah, I didn't end up riding last night, which I wanted to, but unfortunately it just got too dark. But today I'll definitely ride. Might take one of the boys to the forest for a little gallop, and then we're going to be doing more farm work. And we didn't actually get round to doing the lunge arena yesterday, sadly, so I think we're going to start levelling that out a bit more today, and then that means we can get all the all of the material on order, so like the type 1, the rubber, get this gate open. So that'll be really good once we've done that. But I'll show you the ponies this morning. Troy boy is eating, and then just to say, Wilson, our little unbacked pony, doesn't get fed breakfast because he's in no work, and Chrissy puts on weight just by breathing air. So he's a little bit of a piggy, so we don't feed you breakfast because he'd be massive, absolutely mahoosive. But Agente, oh, the camera stopped recording. Agente gets breakfast, quite a big one actually, because he does struggle to keep weight on, especially coming out of winter. He tends to drop it. Yeah, he doesn't look like a show horse right now, does he? Look at the state of him. But ponies are fed. I'm gonna go up to the house now and have my breakfast, and then we can start with the day. Probably won't film mucking out because that's rather boring. But yeah, I'm making some pancakes before we go out and start our farm work. Yeah, that's done. Look, I am such a skilled flipper. There we go. Oh, that's a bit wonky. Beautiful. I've had some pancakes for breakfast, and come here, Agente. Oh, he's so cute. I'm about to muck out, and then we're gonna get on with the day. Come here. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to fit. He's a good boy. I don't know how much I'm going to be able to film because I've only got like 30% on my phone. And it is so annoying, but my phone doesn't charge anymore with the wired chargers. And obviously I can't film using one of those wireless chargers. So we'll see how much filming we get done today. But I'll see you in the next clip. Tie Agente's hay net to the door because he absolutely loves like just staring out the door while eating his hay. It's his favourite thing. Otherwise he just like paces from one side of his stable to the other. Right, and I definitely cannot do this with one hand. It's too difficult. So we are all finished mucking out the ponies. I'm just in the office, by the way. And I'm gonna make my way. There we go. Yeah, I'm going to make my way down to the field and help everybody else with like the fencing, and then I am really excited to start doing the laundry now, because then I can finally start using it as like turnout and stuff like that. Here's our little office, by the way, guys, down at the stables. And I'll flip you over now because the yard is all tidy, nice and clean. Here we are. Got some stuff on the bench, but it's not too bad. All the boys have been done, and they will go out later into the field, but we're just busy in there at the moment, so they can't. Oh, he's so cute. There you go. Clean stables. Dad is showing Mum how to use the digger so that she can start digging as well, because at the moment it's just me and Dad that know how to operate it. This is our turnout pen. Dumpy truck. Me and Dad have been driving we had like this mound of earth over in one of the paddocks. We've driven that all the way to the turnout pen. I'll flip the camera around now and show you what we've done. So this is all the, like, you see these piles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, quite a few trips. There's Mum and Danny are working down there. And then me and Dad have been doing this. There he is, fixing my mistake. I ruined the pathway because I'm not great at driving this. Bit out of breath. Back in the house, I'm about to have some lunch. And we're done doing farm work outside because there's nothing else we can really do. Fencing posts are all in. Lunge arena's all levelled. So there's nothing else really to be done. I'm gonna have some lunch, then go skip out the ponies. We're looking. Go on, Guy. What are we looking for?
Mum's phone.
She's lost it somewhere, and now we cannot find it. So we're looking for that. We've eaten lunch. Eating lunch. Once we've found Mum's phone, which hopefully we do. Once we've found Mum's phone, I'm gonna skip out the horses. You're gonna help me do that, Guy?
Why?
Because it's your favourite thing ever. Doing the horses.
No, it's the worst
one. But I'll talk to you guys when I'm mucking out. So I've skipped out the ponies for the day. There it is. There's Mum's phone. Skipped out ponies for the day, and now I've left their rugs off, right? Because today it's been like 15 degrees, and until later on it's still going to be like 10 degrees. But then later on tonight, oh my gosh, this is so muddy. But then later on tonight, it's going down to 5 degrees. So I'll put their rugs on when I do the night check. So that they don't get chilly. I'm not riding this evening. you. So, not riding this evening because we've got dinner. Thanks.
Good girl,
Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl? You're a piggy. Just shutting the gate. I'm gonna put the boys' rugs on, and then, oh, do you hear the birds? That's so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna put the boys' rugs on. Got an apple for them because they're just such good boys. Troy has always got to go last because he eats the entire thing, otherwise he steals it out of my hand. But besides from that, they're all done. It's quite late, so I'm gonna count this as the night check. I might come down in my PJs later, but just like to say thank you for watching, and please give this video a like. It would really help. Let me know that you enjoyed it. And yeah, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.